Now it's time to write our next program of checking leap year. So, do you know how to find a leap year? Hmm? To find a leap year, your year is divided by 4 and do not be divided by 100 but also divided by 400. You know how to write a code like that? Let's write it. Let's do it. Let's year is equal to int input year. It's fine. Now we have to write conditions. What conditions? Let me give you some conditions. The if year modulus अगर ईयर डिवाइड होगा 4 से तो इसका मॉड्यूलस 0 आए फ्रेंड लेट्स टेक ईयर नाउ वी आर taking second condition alif ईयर मॉड्यूलस ईयर का मॉड्यूलस अगर डिवाइड बाय होगा 100 से 0 को then friend let's take one more condition alif year modulus divided by 400 is equal to 0 होगा. Now let's run this year. Let's take 2000. 2000 is the key. Let's take another. That's okay. Today, guys. We will meet in our next video.